listen, I know this has been on your mind constantly. You can't get it out of your head. You need to know the answer. What's the difference between a paradiddle-diddle and a paraparadiddle? I know. But don't worry, I'm here with the answer for you. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'm talking about paradiddles. These are a rudiment, they're crucial in drumming and advancing in your drumming skills. People also talk about them a lot because they sound funny. But broken down, all it really is putting together single strokes, para, right, left, or left, right, and diddles, which are doubles. Makes sense. So you got single, double, paradiddle, paradiddle. It's cool because it inverts. So that means you got one leading with the right, 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 and then it swaps over, left, left. Now hopefully this now makes more sense when I say what's a paradiddle-diddle and what's a paraparadiddle. So a paradiddle-diddle is just a paradiddle with an extra diddle, or as we now know, a double. Right, right, and an extra double, left. What's cool about these is they now don't invert. Very useful for fills and other things. Now, logic should suggest at this point that paraparadiddles are now single, double. These do invert, so right, left, right, left. And now you could say, well, can I now just call it a paradiddle, paradiddle. I mean, there's no law against it, but you will look like an idiot. There are better ways of going about it, but now you know.